Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to send a text message on Facebook with the latest updates, you're in the right place. Sending a message through Facebook's Messenger app is straightforward and quick, and this guide will walk you through every step. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're inside, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Messenger icon. It looks like a little speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Tap on that icon to open the Messenger interface. Next, to start a new message, tap the pen icon, also located at the top right within Messenger. This button will allow you to compose a fresh message and select the contact you want to reach. Now, either scroll through your contacts or use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the person you want to message. Once you've found them, tap on their name to open a chat window. In the chat window, you'll see a text field at the bottom. Tap into this field to type out your message. Make your message as clear or as casual as you like, just get your point across. When your message is ready to go, look for the send button. It's represented by a paper plane icon, usually found on the right side of the text field. Tap on that, and your message will be sent instantly to your chosen contact. And that's all there is to it. You've just sent a text message on Facebook Messenger using the updated method. Whether you're reaching out to friends, family, or colleagues, this simple process makes staying connected easier than ever. Give it a try and see how easy messaging on Facebook can be.